Hey everyone. So I want to explain one question of React is what is life cycle method, right? So this question uh, is often asked in interview question. Uh, so let understand what the life cycle is in the React. So as you can imagine or you can think it as like a life of a component, right? As the name suggests, the life cycle means life of a component in React. So every component in React has three life cycle. First is mounting, second is updating, third and the last is unmounting. So these are the phases. These are the three phases of life cycle uh, in React. So mounting phase, you can say it when the UI get or when component get rendered on the UI for the first time, right? When the component get rendered on the browser on the first time, then that phase is called mounting phase, right? So this was the mounting phase, and this was the first part of mounting phase. In the second part of mounting phase, the one who called huge effect is get called. So this was the mounting phase. Now come on to the updating phase. So in updating phase, when you change something or when you update your component, then that phase is called updating phase. So any change in state or any change in the probes of a component, then the updating phase happens, right? So this was the first part of updating phase. In the second part of the updating phase, uh, all the changes get reflected on the UI, right? And then the same use effect get called, but this time the cleanup function of that use effect is called first. So this was the updating phase. Now come on to the last phase of the React, unmounting phase. So in unmounting, so you can think, or I think you are thinking like unmounting or like you are deleting some element from the UI, like right? You can relate it as mounting and then unmounting, mounting and unmounting. So means birth and death. You can imagine it like so. Unmounting phase is when you uh, delete or you can we can say it like when you remove some element from the UI, right? So that phase is called unmounting phase. So the in this phase the same huge effect hook will be called, but this time the uh, as it was happening in the updating phase, the same cleanup function will be called first. So this was the unmounting phase, and I hope I explained it better this time. So that's all for this video, and I will come with a few more question of React interview question. Thanks.